if you're running anything in the enterprise, you need to run it in a way that can be trusted. And that doesn't just mean security. So of course, what we build into the server is RBAC on every agent that's running. We have the ability to push down any kind of current user to, say, a vector store, so that we could query the metadata of a vector store and have the agent that's written only return data that the current user has privileges for. So of course, it's things like that. Being able to run in your secure environment and integrating with AD or Okta or whatever you have at the agent level, not at the server level, so that every agent can be secured. So security is one part of trust, right? Another part of trust is keeping track of every single request that's gone through, who made it, when they made it, and how that spiders down through every sub-agent that's there. And every single call to an agent may call 5 other agents, may call 50 other agents, may just talk to a database. But you need to know through auditing mechanisms what that means and how you can trace those and who did what.
Right.
So when something does go wrong, you come back and you can do root cause analysis to see who made those. So that's a second part of trust. And for us, the third part of trust is monitoring input and output, not just from who did what, but think of it as a manager or a QA agent sitting on the side, a security agent, if you will, monitoring all of the input that comes in per agent, maybe, and all the output that comes out to make sure it's topical on the input and make sure that bad things aren't being returned to you on the way out. We all hear about jailbreaking LLMs every day. It's a lot harder when you have a very topical agent. So say I have an agent that's going to return records for sales from Salesforce, right? It's much easier to monitor and manage that than it is something you can ask any generic question of. So, the pillars of trust for us are security, auditing, governance, and the monitoring of the inputs and outputs